Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change password in the MooMoo application. To change your password on MooMoo, launch open the MooMoo app on your device and tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. From the Me menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, choose Passwords and Security. Now click on Change Login Password. Enter your current password for your MooMoo account in the first text box. Enter your new password on the next one. Confirm the new password by retyping it again in the last field. And finally, click on Save at the top right corner. Now you'll need to log in again with the new password. Tap on Login again. Enter your email address or your user ID and tap Continue. Enter your new password you set in the password box and tap Continue once again. And there you have successfully logged in with the new password. That is how you can easily change password in MooMoo. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.